The ability to run fast is one way for certain land animals to avoid attacks or even to pounce on other animals. However, most of the fastest animals in the world are not predatory animals. They are precisely grass-eating animals that can run faster. Cheetah has speed above other land animals. These animals can run up to speeds of 120 kilometers per hour, faster than the average private car used in the city. However, the cheetah can maintain this speed for only about a minute. Pronghorn can run up to speeds of 88.5 kilometers per hour. Not only fast, the pronghorn also has high stamina, so it can maintain a speed of 55 kilometers per hour for long distance travel in order to avoid predators. Springbok can run at speeds of up to 88 kilometers per hour. The springbok is a small antelope that lives in herds throughout southern Africa. This animal can maintain its speed for about a minute to get away from its predators. Although more often known for its pounce power, lions also have running speeds of up to 80.5 kilometers per hour. However, lions can only run fast for a short time. These animals need to set their own strategy in order to get their prey, especially with reconnaissance. Blackbuck is the only type of antelope that can still be found in the world. This small animal that can be found in India can run at speeds of up to 80 kilometers per hour.